Remember, everyone's a medic. 2 medic lives, 10-second touch. Make sure to utilize that. You're going to need it. You guys have a plan?
Yes.
Alright, cool.
Get the antenna.
Are you ready? YTP?
Yes.
Alright, copy. Alright, last thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is honor and integrity. Make sure you guys are calling your hits.
So we go get the antenna and bring it back here.
No, there.
2, 1.
Hit! Watch out, pull me. Thanks, bud. Hit! Can we get in this container? Yeah. Just watch out, watch your left, immediately to your left.
Alright, we're ready.
I say we go Citadel. I say we go Citadel and come around
there.
him. Yeah, I know. I say we go there and come around him.
Citadel.
Yeah. Back up. Hit! I need a revive. Yeah. Pull me over to you. Cool. Thanks, bud. Pull me that way. Thanks, bud. Nice job, man. Watch across. I'm gonna pull you that way, okay, bud? I got one. That way, okay, ready? Okay, so there's still one across, but he's probably reviving that second dude. Yeah. You ready? Hit! Hit! That's my last one. I gotta go back, you okay? Hit! All right, just be careful, because when we were going through these, we were just walking up on dudes. on. Watch. Watch. There's people here. There's blues here. Waiting on them, because the problem is I know there's dudes here, and I don't think they know I'm here yet, and I don't want to tell them yet, because I want them to move up, and then we can just wipe them out.
That's true. Yeah, actually, it's smart.
I'm up. I cleared out the one dude.
The wires this way.
Where? Okay. I got the antenna. I got the antenna. Antenna. I gotta make it to the clinic. They brought it over here. What? They brought it over here. I gotta make it to the clinic.
Dude, the school's right here. They have a clear shot on you if you peek out there.
Okay.
There's like no one out there, bro. I've been killing them all. God damn.
They brought it up here.
Who did?
The ref.
Oh, shit, ricochet.
Hey, I'm gonna try to flake around the right of them, okay? Aaron, I'm gonna come to you so maybe we can come up behind these guys. No, we can't get out. We have to make it to that spool, but I got to get the antenna there first. Here we go. Good. We got more people moving up.
There's some over there. Like
Yeah.
Two in the back.
No, I'm good. Just save him.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on, pop out, bitch.
Where's he at?
First window in the red. But he may go to the back one. No, now he's in the beige. Coming up the tree line. Yeah.
I see him moving with this.
He's hit.
All right.
Get on my left, man.
Here I go. Here I go. Hit. Hey, revive me. Pull me over there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hit. Revive me again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Can you get the sniper?
7, 8, 9, 10. There's a window right there covering us now. We can't move up.
Okay.
He's got a perfect view.
Hit.
So is this hot? Is that hot? That's not too bad. I might play the next game without it.
3, 2, 1, game on!
Around right. I'm just following you.
We are.
I haven't seen anybody. Right there.
Yeah, right there. You see him, Aaron? Okay.
I mean, he'll run the bushes now.
Yeah.
Push right.
Yeah. Push up. Just watch directly to your left there.
You watch, I'm pushing the pedal.
Okay, go.
You ready?
Go. Aaron, there's 2 moving up. Hit. Aaron, can you pull me back over to you? Just make it quick.
Oh, you're right here on the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Oh, you got it?
This is just a flag.
Oh, okay, go.
You go first?
Yeah. Go. We're good. Yeah, the dude who... Just leave it here. The dude...
Figure out money-wise how much that's going to cost me to get my comms squared away for next time.
$30 if you do it this way.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
I don't know what I've been doing.
I'm getting in here. Okay. Because there was 3 dudes in this one, but they've all taken off, but I just... Yeah, you can do it.
Overlook the actual mortar.
Alright, you want to go? Where'd it come from?
Container, that one I was talking about one.
Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gilman.
Hold on, watch out. Stay down. Alright, I got him. I think he just scooted out. Got him. He's down. Got him.